Good morning, guys. I am just popping in to share a smoothie recipe with you. This is great for your immune system. It's great for your hair, your skin, your nails, your eyes. The featured veggie of the day is carrots. And I have about a cup of baby carrots. I have one banana. I have two little cuties or tangerines or whatever you want to call them. I'm going to put my favorite yogurt, Chobani, Greek vanilla yogurt. And then I'm also going to do some water. I'm going to place all of that in my blender via Walmart, 40 bucks. And I'm going to start my day off right. So like I said, I just wanted to pop in and share this with you guys to give you an idea of what you can do. This combination is very sweet naturally and of course very healthy. So here we go. Okay, so I wanted to show you step by step what I do and how I do it. It is your choice which ones you put in first. Me personally, I like to put in the softer ingredients first towards the bottom just to help the blade. You know, don't want to put any stress on the blade as you first start out. Give it time to spin and do its thing. So I'm going to put the oranges in first. Then I'm going to put the banana. And then I'm going to put the carrots. That way, by the time it's already started spinning, it's got enough time to work up, enough power so it can crush these carrots for me. Then I'm going to put in the yogurt. And then last, I'm going to put the water in. So here we go. Go. Bananas. There we are so far. Okay, I had to stop for a second because I'm just doing this with one hand, but there is the yogurt. Excuse the noise. I just put in one big scoop because I don't need much. Good old probiotic. Help to break down food and prep your belly. Good gut health. And then, of course, my carrots. That's probably more than I usually put, to be honest. I don't usually measure it, but I just wanted to kind of give you just a gist of how much I put in. And then last but not least, good old water. It's up to you how much you put in. It just all depends on how thick you want it or how thin you want it and how much of it you want to drink. So I'm not going to do the whole cup of water. I just did, 3/4 of it. Then lid on. There we go. And then smoothie extract. Okay, so the cup I'm going to put it in is this cruiser's cup. Not because it's a cruiser's cup, but because it's a 32 ounce. I just wanted to kind of give you a gauge as to how much this yields once it's done. All right, should be nice and smooth. I'll let it run for a while, so. Look at that. No lumps. No chunks. And it filled about, I would say 30 ounces. That's a 32 ounce, and it fills it right up to about that orange line at the top. So I just want to also point out that it's been a lot of questions that I get about juicing and what to use for juicing. What's the best items to, as far as should you buy a juicer or should you buy a blender? You do not have to buy a juicer. When I first started juicing years ago, I thought it had to be a juicer, but it does not have to be. I was a huge fan of NutriBullet. I still am, but you can save your money. Blenders do the exact same thing. It's about the blade, you guys. You just let it run a little longer than you would an actual juicer. But it comes out to the same thing. As you saw, there was no lumps, no chunks in it. I just let it run on, maybe 20 seconds longer than I would a juicer. No big deal. So go ahead and take care of you guys' health and put the right things in your body. You can get this at Walmart for about $40. Usually juicers are anywhere from $80 and up. So save your money and get the same results. And it's even important for you to train your children these healthy habits and teach them these things. Because as they say, train up a child in the way they should go, and when they get older, they shall not depart. So help your kids do the same thing and create these healthy habits. So when they get older and, they're adults, they won't have to worry about, as many health issues and things like that, because you help them to put the power of their health in their hands. Nice and smooth. Go, girl. Seeing if you do it long enough. No lumps, no chunks. Pour more. Pour more for you and your sister. Okay, put more on hers. Make sure y'all have even Steven, and then put the rest of mine. And then pour the rest of mine. I want y'all to, there's one lump. That's okay though. And that's why I put, so you guys, that's why, as you saw, one of the carrots did not blend. And I believe that's because when she loaded everything in, she actually put the carrots on the bottom, which was my fault because I didn't tell her. But I like to put the softer ingredients at the bottom to allow the blade to turn so it can build up its momentum, so that when it gets to the harder stuff, it can just obliterate it. So that's what we'll do differently next time when I train up my child. So anyway, that's all I wanted to pop in and share with you guys, just a smoothie recipe. Again, it has carrots, yogurt, banana, and oranges, and of course, just a little bit of water. It's very healthy for you. And it tastes phenomenal, believe it or not. But give it a try, and I will be sure to share more recipes as I make them. You guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up when you enjoy, and leave comments. Hope you're having an amazing day.